So we started with one robot that was primarily doing trolley work. Our system integration partner, Trilogy Next Gen, and the great team at Peer really helped us, work through different iterations of the right trolley to help us manage our business effectively. We started with a small trolley, navigated to a larger trolley, which is what we have in production today. We've had a couple other iterations, and we found just working together to find the best fit for our operation. And that's one thing that Peer does, really great at is listening to customer feedback, optimizing the dashboard, optimizing routes, optimizing the physical equipment we utilize the robot with. To really fine tune the robotics to fit the operation. Yeah, Peer's been great partners. They really dig deep to try to understand our business, understand our pain points, and then provide solutions that help us improve efficiencies and reduce labor cost, and be able to reallocate that labor to other areas of the building as we continue to grow as a business.